Hello everyone, and I would like to welcome our 2024 Trade and Drive Expo. This is our third consecutive year, and I would like to welcome all the guests, students, alumni, as well as our industry partners. As you can see at my back, we've got a lot of industry people who have come to share and transfer the knowledge to our students, as well as our alumni, and making sure that they are staying up to date and current with the regulatory as well as with the work environment. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Sherwin here from Hafley at the Orange Open Day today. Just showcasing some of the stuff that we do. This is the new Harbour Conceptor, brand new mechanism that we released this year. Much different to the older version, as you can see. This one has top, bottom rail, a vertical rail here, and a cable pulley system too. And this is the brand new push to open version as well. So push it in, locks in, push it out, and then soft closes as well.
Hi, I'm Claire from Study Melbourne. We're the Victorian Government team that supports international students across all of Victoria, and we work with all the education providers, including Orange College here today. It's great to be here today. I'm here to talk to students about our free support services, our free professional development activities, programs and events that we offer international students. So we have a hub in Hardware Lane. Please come and see us. We're at 17 Hardware Lane, open 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. If you have any problems or any questions about anything, accommodation, work, your well-being, your mental health, we can help you. We also have free professional development programs to help you get job ready. We can help with interview preparation, your resume, networking, and we also have free social and cultural events. So it's a great way to meet other international students, expand your network, and connect with other people here in Victoria. So yeah, please come and see us at Study Melbourne Hub. Thanks.
Hi everyone, my name is Sadaf. I'm from My Fast Medical. We've got a telehealth service across Australia that helps you to have access to GP and psychologists from 7:30 in the morning till 11:30. Our cost is flat rate $50 for a GP consultation, and you can get $43 back from your insurance. So with $77 out of pocket, you can have access to an Australian GP to receive your medical certificate, prescription, referrals, anything that you need at the comfort of your couch.
Hey, I'm Daniel from the Australian Cabinet Furniture Association. We're the largest industry association for cabinet makers in Australia. We're Australia-wide, and we offer a host of services from HR to documentation and resources. And we do a lot of networking events and speak to the government on issues about our industry.
From scratch, back to bare metal, painted inside and out. Motor.
Got Cert 3, Cert 4 Automotive and Auto Electrical for Cert 3. Run at Mars Institute in Turner Street in Port Melbourne. 12 months course for Cert 3 and 10 months, 10 units for Cert 4.
Hi, my name is Karan and I'm representing Ask Australia. Ask Australia is basically part of the Orange and Mars group. We are trying to help our own student to getting the right job for them because we've seen in our current student that most of them are able to get the job. We are trying to work on behind, but this time we are going all the way in to help them secure a job in their own sector, such as carpenter, painter, cabinet maker, chef, and all the different industry where they are looking for a job. So first we start with our own students, and then we are expanding to open for everyone.